Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to make a WhatsApp sticker for iPhone. So this is not an official guideline, okay? So the flow of the video is actually composed of two parts. So the first part is going to tell you what do we need actually, and the second part is the step-by-step instructions. And English is not my first language, so if you think my presentation is not good, then you can just mute and just watch the video instead of listening my voice. So in our steps, okay, 2.1 and 2.3 are actually required to watch. Otherwise you will not be able to understand the content of the video. So what do we need? So first of all, of course you should have a Mac and an iPhone. Then for the softwares, you should and you must download the Xcode, okay. And for the image alpha and the Photoshop CC, they are optional to download. So these are the links. I will provide it in the YouTube details. You can just take a look at it. So for the step 2.1, this is required to watch. So you have to download the source folder. So this is the link. So the folder is just like this, okay. So make sure that you get the same thing with me. So this is step 2.2. So in this step we will show you how to crop a photo and make it as PNG image with transparent background. So you may wonder, or you may ask, why do we need to crop the photo? So the first reason is that we can make it more beautiful and meaningful. And since WhatsApp has set some requirements of PNG, like sticker must be either in PNG or WebP format. So in this video we will just talk about PNG instead of WebP format, and each sticker must be less than 100 KB. And these three requirements are really important. So I will show you how to crop the photo from Photoshop. So you open the Photoshop, click File, click Open. We will open the original .jpg. So this is a doc, and we're going to extract the doc. So you may try it yourself. Try to adjust the canvas size and to adjust the image size. So now I'm actually adjusting the canvas size. So after you adjust the canvas size, you can see that the canvas is reduced. The width is, I'm reducing the width, and yeah, you can choose centimeters or pixels or others. And we will use a tool called pen tool to actually to make a smooth extraction of the doc. Just like this. Yeah, I will show you how to do that. So I will speed up a little bit. So if you understand, you can just move forward, okay, or you can just skip, as long as you know how to do it, okay. So after we make the path, we will right click and select make selection, okay, and then click OK, and we will click layer and new, and we will make a new layer through copy. And we can click the small eye to temporarily disappear the background, and you can adjust the position of the layer. So how to actually make it 512 times 512 pixels? So I prefer to adjust the pixel first in the image size, then it can be relatively reduced the size first, and then we're going to adjust the canvas size. The JPEG to PNG. So my Photoshop actually automatically optimized. It optimized the canvas size. So actually, right now I have to reset the canvas size to 512 times 512. Okay, to fulfill the WhatsApp sticker requirement. And we will save to our folder called sticker. So after you save the PNG, you can actually save the Photoshop as .psd file. If you don't want to save, then you can just don't save and proceed to the next step. So after that, you can see that the size of our sticker .png is quite large because the requirement is just 100 KB, and so that we have to reduce the size of our PNG. So in order to reduce the size of our PNG, we're going to use the image alpha. Okay, so open the image alpha and just dropped our PNG to the software. Okay, just let everything be default and move the small button. Okay, then you can reduce the size. You can see that the image size is changing when you move the button. Okay, after you reduce the size, save as. Okay, we will save it and give it a new name called sticker compressed. Save. So we're actually finished. Okay, the part of creating a sticker PNG. And now we're going to open the Xcode project. So you can see that there are some sample stickers right here. Okay, we just let everything stay unchanged. So we drop our sticker compressed into these sample stickers. Okay, and make sure that you choose type to data. Okay, you select data instead of PNG. This is really important. and uh, you have to change the bundle identifier. Okay, you have to use a unique name, and if you don't have previous development experience, then you need to add an account right here. Okay, sign with your Apple ID, and then click Manage Certificates. Okay, we will add an iOS development right here. Done. Then you can choose the team. Okay. Oh. Okay. The bundle identifier should be unique. So sample is not unique. Then we'll just try a unique name. Okay, it works. Brilliant. Good. And we're going to this file. Okay, you can see there is a sticker. See, these are stickers. Okay, they actually. So if you want to show your custom sticker, then you have to adjust the code right here. Okay, we can just copy and paste. Okay, let me make a beautiful one. Yeah. So I just copy and paste. Okay, and now I adjust the name or sticker compressed .png. Okay, this is what we made in step 2.2. Okay, and now we can connect our iPhone to our MacBook. So make sure that you connect your iPhone to your MacBook, otherwise you will not be able to install the app from your Mac. Okay, my iPhone is connected. Then choose your iPhone and click Run, and okay, enter the password. Okay, so we are going to the general of our iPhone and search for the device management. So, and to trust our developer, to trust the developer. Okay, so done. You can see that the dot we made is right here.